Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at a beautiful word. It describes a way of moving, but more importantly, it describes a way of behaving when a situation gets difficult or embarrassing.
A way of behaving when things get tough? That sounds like a very useful word. What is it today?
The word is graceful.
Graceful, yes. Usually when people hear this word, they immediately think of ballet dancers or swans.
Exactly. For our English learners, the most basic meaning of graceful is moving in a smooth, relaxed, and elegant way. A dancer spinning on a stage is graceful.
And me dropping my coffee cup and tripping over a chair this morning is the exact opposite of graceful. I was very clumsy.
You were definitely not graceful today.
But for language learners, the second meaning is actually much more important for everyday conversation. You can be graceful in your behavior, especially when you make a mistake or when you lose.
This is such an important concept. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you are playing a game of tennis with your friend, or maybe your company is competing against another business for a big client.
And you lose. The other person wins the game or the other company gets the client. How do you react?
You could get extremely angry. You could shout, complain that it wasn't fair, and refuse to shake their hand.
That would be a terrible, immature reaction.
But if you smile, shake their hand, and say, "Congratulations, you did a great job," you are being graceful.
Yes, you are losing gracefully. It means you handle a bad situation with politeness, elegance, and respect, instead of acting angry or embarrassed.
Let's look at another scenario. You can also handle a mistake gracefully. Let's say you are giving a big presentation at work in English, and you accidentally pronounce a word completely wrong. Everyone in the room hears it.
Oh, my face would turn red immediately. I would want to hide under the table.
You could panic and freeze completely, but a graceful response would be to just smile, laugh at yourself a little bit, correct the word, and keep talking like nothing happened.
Exactly. You handled the embarrassment gracefully. You stayed smooth and calm, just like that ballet dancer.
Your homework for today: think of a time recently when you made a small mistake in front of other people. Did you panic or did you handle it gracefully? Practice explaining how you reacted out loud in English.
Hopefully, handling mistakes with a smile is the best way to learn, especially when you're practicing a new language. Do not be afraid to make mistakes gracefully.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Stay graceful. See you next time on Mady English Practice.